Hi guys, it's Jan here and I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be building a website with Claude Code. Many of you may have seen me build an app with Claude Code in my last video, and I did do that. And today I'm going to be building a website because, you know, apps and websites, they're very similar on how to develop. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. On Claude, as you guys can see here, first, you know, it's not like the website where you need like an app or, an idea or anything. You should already have this idea in mind. Our idea is a personal website, so we're just going to simply tell Claude Code to build us a personal portfolio. All I need, this is an important part too, all I need is a about page and contact. Okay, so it's going to ask you questions like it always does, which is really helpful. So we're going to be getting on with these questions. This is going to use a placeholder text, and let's do a minimal and modern. Let's do just email. Use Ayan at dev.com. This is a placeholder email because obviously this is not going to be a personal website that we're actually going to build. I have already built my personal website. If you haven't seen it already, make sure to go check it out. I basically built it the same way. It's really easy to build, and I'm just here to show you the steps. So I'm not going to make you guys wait. Obviously I don't want to make you guys wait, and I will just I'll catch you once it's done everything, and I'll catch you in the website, and then after we review the website we're going to make some more changes and get on with the video. So yeah, I'll catch you in the website. See ya. So it has finished creating us the website. This is our website. So this is like a place. First start everything off, we've got the nav bar, we've got the hello, I'm Jan. It's a placeholder, obviously we're gonna fill that in. And then we've got a footer, then we've got a contact page, ayan@dev.com. Let's talk. You can send an email, and again the footer. But this is just the first step, obviously. So now back in Claude Code, we're going to tell it what to improve. So I'll catch you back in Claude Code. Back in Claude Code, and now we're going to improve the. Obviously, we need to improve a lot of things with the website. There is a prompt that I have. I think I still have it. Okay, this is a big prompt. This is a prompt that you can get from a lot of like AIs like ChatGPT. This is a prompt that I use. I'll put a link into the description with it. It's going to improve the contrast with the colors, and obviously the contrast and all of the spacing and just everything with the website. So this is obviously step 2 now, improving your website, and obviously using this amazing prompt to get a lot of things done. So I'm going to press enter, and we are going to wait for this to be done, and I will show you the new and improved website. But this is step 2 now. So and also we're going to enter this. So we've entered this, and after this is done, I'll let you guys know, and then I'll show you what to say with the colors, and if you want to improve the colors and stuff. So I'll catch you when this is done. It's Jan, and I am back here in Claude Code. I waited for this, and it's done now officially. So next step, I said we're going to be doing the colors, because this is a very important website on making your website like eye-catchy and engaging to your audience that you're trying to get clients with. So it's not very hard. If you already have a colour in mind, then you know, you can just ask it. But if you don't have a colour in mind, which I find myself in like a lot, I find myself not having a colour in mind, you can just ask. You just tell Claude Code the style you're going for, and it will put in a colour that you always like, because it's always put in a nice dark techie colour for me. So that works with me. So now let's do it with this example website. So we're going for a dark minimalist theme here. So what we're going to put is, can you put for a dark minimalist theme website? It's as simple as that. Can you put in a colour for a dark minimalist theme website? See, it can't do it directly from us, but basically we're going to put in, we're going to, you know, copy this code, and then we're going to put it into Claude Code. We're going to enter it, and it's asking us, do you want to apply the changes, which is very good, and then we will say yes. Yes. Okay, so now as you can see, it says editing here. It's editing for us. As you can see, it's editing the CSS, which is like the design, the colors, the style, the fonts. While we're waiting for it to load, oh, it's loaded. So it's finished loading, and I'm going to go to the website, and I'm going to show you the new color palettes and all of that stuff. So this is the end of step 2. I'm back here, and look how more professional this website is looking. The black and the white just goes perfectly together with a touch of grey. Just perfect. It's got hover effects. It's improved everything. We've got a contact, obviously. This looks sick. We've got footer, email, nav bar with about and contact, our name here, and a footer here again. And step 3 is now what we're gonna be doing. It's basically finishing off the last bit with with our website and ready for launch. So that is going to be step 3. So yeah, let's get on into step 3. Catch you back in Claude. We're back in Claude, and I've just typed up this. Can you make the about page saying I'm 13, I'm a software engineer, and I do YouTube? And I've told you to expand on it because it's very good at expanding. It's finished, so now we are going to click on this, and we're back in the website. So obviously it says I'm a 13-year-old software engineer who fell in love with code early, build websites alongside on a YouTube channel. I'm not going to go through all of this, by the way. You guys can read it. And it's also improved our tag, 13-year-old software engineer and YouTube building things on the web. So, this is the end of that was completely finished now with step 2. Step 3 is going to be obviously asking it for the downloaded, asking for the files, and we're going to be launching it. I'm not going to be showing you guys in this video how to launch it because I want to go into it with more detail. I'm going to show you how to launch it using Vercel and GitHub, 2 very good things that you can launch it with. There's also other webs that you can launch it with, but I use GitHub and Vercel to launch my sites. And so without further ado, let's get on to the final step, getting all the files. And so let's go get the files. We are back in Claude Code, and now the final step is going to be asking for files. So let's just ask for, can you give me the files? So we're asking for the files, very simple, that's all you have to say. So this is the index HTML, and it's just going to do all of this for us. But after it's finished doing this, it pops up in your Finder if you're on Mac. And I don't know what it does for Windows, but on Mac it pops up in your Finder. Then you can just drop these files into GitHub and connect your Vercel. But obviously, this is like a bit complicated if you've never done it before. It seems complicated, but it's actually not. Very simple. It's done now, but it's very simple. And you know what? In the next video, I'm going to definitely be showing you how to launch these, because I know we've done the hard work now. Now we just need to launch it and be up and running. So this is very, very important while you're building a website, because you definitely need to get your website out there and make a name for yourself. So in the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to launch it with GitHub and Vercel into way more detail. It's put the files into our Finder now, and you know what? It's just amazing what we've built. I'll show you one quick look on our website. This is the last look on our website. Got the home page, and then we've got the contact page. So yeah, I hope all of you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. And I hope you've taken a lot of things from this video, and I'm hoping it's helped you a lot. If you're stuck on any steps, just comment in the comments, and I'll reply as soon as I can. I'll put that prompt in the description, and go check out me building an app, because I think that would be helpful too. Thank you so much for watching. Go build your apps. Go build your websites, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.